Friends, this video will explain the last join type. We are left with, we already seen what is inner join, what is left join, also known as left outer join in our previous videos. We have also seen what is right join or right outer join. All these are already covered. Today we will see full join or full outer join. Let us see what full join is. Full join means it is combination of left join as well as right join. It means you will have all the records from left hand side table as well as right hand side table. Wherever the opposite, the other table don't have data corresponding to the specified conditions, the database will display null under that column. Let us see with the help of Venn diagram. We have two tables, members and event. We are dealing with a club scenario where members will be having some events for their participation. Members and event. If it was a full outer join, what will be the result? Let us see. Full outer join means all records which are common will come, all records which are present in members but not in event will come, all the records which are present in event but not present in members will also come. This means we will have a Cartesian set of records as a result. All the records from both the tables will come, but wherever the values in the corresponding tables are not present, null will be displayed. It is very simple to understand. It is combination of left and right join. Let us see in homework sheet. We have two tables, members table, event table. Members table will have member ID, member name, member age as columns. Event table will have event ID, event name, member ID columns. Member ID column establish relationship between both the tables to perform this join. We want the list of members and the list of events against them in which they are participating. Let us see how full join works and what will be the output. These two columns we want as output. As the full join do, it will pick all the records from left table and all the records from right table will come, but correspondingly we will see how it will come. Okay, it will map the IDs. ID 1 is matching with two records in event. We will have these two here. Jacob coming in the output with dancing event as well. Next is 2. 2 is also present here in event. So Trevin will have table tennis. Next is 3. 3 is also present. He is mapping with the event. Ella goes for Karen. Next one is 4. We could not find anything matching 4 in the event table, but as the join here is full join, we have to have Tanya in our output, but the event here will be returned as null. Next is 5. We have 5, 2 places, one is singing. Second is exclamation. Next 6. 6 is also present. Printing. 7 is present. So we can see which all records are having corresponding values in both the tables will be fetched. And if we don't have values in right hand side table, then right hand side column will have null. Otherwise, if we don't have values in the left hand side table, we will have null under that column. 8 is present. There is drama. Now 9, we don't have any value here. 9 don't have any value, so very will be null. Micah will also have null. Note member ID as 10 is not present in event table. We also don't have member ID against fancy dress, so fancy dress has to come because it is full join, but the value here will come under the member name will come as null. This is the result set of full join. Let us arrange this data. So we should have null against fancy dress in our database result and 3 nulls against the very Tanya and Micah. Let us see the syntax here. Syntax is like select table 1 dot list of columns, and list of columns from table 2 from table 1 left hand side table, full join with table 2 on related columns. Optional where condition, optional group by, column names, and order by will come at the end if it is needed. This is the syntax. Let us execute the query on our tables. Let us see the data first. We have 10 of these records in the members table. In event table, we have the same data as we have seen in homework sheet. Exactly. Let's write a query for full join. Select table 1 with us as members dot list of column we want only one column out of it, member name. Event is table 2. I want only event name from this table. From first table left hand side table members, it want to fully join with event that is right hand side table on. Both of them are related with the help of one column member ID. Members table member ID is equals to event table member ID. I don't want to go for where condition, no group by, but I would like to order it by member name. Let us see the result. See, this is the result. We have null against fancy dress, and Micah, Tanya and Very don't have any events against them, therefore these are null. Means null in the right hand side table column as well, and null in the left hand side table column as well, wherever the corresponding values are not present. This is full join. With this we are done with all types of joins. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. There's more complexity yet to come.